And Mariano will face Shin-Soo Choo, a left-hand hitter. As Drupal Cabrera, a switch hitter who will bat left, of course. Watch the pitch, struck him out swinging. Rivera deals. He struck him out swinging. Same pitch. And Rivera deals. Swung on, grounded to first. Teixeira fields. On his way to the bag. He steps on the bag. Ball game over. Yankees win